What's up, big dreamers? Katie Rhines, your registered dietitian, is in the house. Today we're going over what does 10 servings of fruits and vegetables look like. In my last video, I went over this incredible meta-analysis that showed that chronic disease, cancer, all cause of death is significantly reduced when we're eating at least 10 servings of fruits and vegetables every single day. 10 servings of fruits and vegetables, that means it could be 3 servings of fruits and 7 servings of vegetables. That could be 5 servings of fruits and 5 servings of vegetables. So a combination of fruits and vegetables together, both, you get it. So to be able to count how many servings of fruits and vegetables are we even eating, we need to know what the serving sizes are. How much is one serving? According to the Academy for Nutrition and Dietetics, one fresh fruit is about 1 cup. So I want to show you here, look at how cute and perfect this organic PS, to tell it's organic, there's going to be a 9 in the number there. Make sure your apples, there's a 9. I recommend getting your apples organic just because we eat the skin. Anyways, it fits perfectly into this little 1 cup measuring cup. 1 cup of fresh fruit is 1 serving. So here's 1 serving of an apple, peach, 1 serving of a peach, about 1 large banana. Now this is different when our fruit is dried. This is a 1/4 cup of raisins. That's about 1 serving. So when you're taking the water away, it's going to be a lot more caloric and calorically dense and nutrient dense. When it comes to high water content fruit like watermelons and honeydews, going a little bit over a cup is probably a serving size. And when you're drinking fruit juice, which I don't necessarily recommend, a 1/2 cup of fruit juice is 1 serving. What about your vegetables? A 1/2 cup cooked is 1 serving, and 1 cup raw is 1 serving. Here I have 1 cup of celery and 1 cup of baby carrots. So since these are raw, fresh vegetables, you would measure out 1 whole cup. This is about 3 stalks of celery, makes 1 serving. And this is about 16 baby carrots. This whole plate is 2 servings of vegetables. What does 1/2 cup of cooked vegetables look like? Well, here I have what, Katie? Pasta is a vegetable? Yes, actually, did you know that according to the Academy, beans and lentils and legumes count both as vegetables and as a protein source? So you could technically count your red lentil pasta as a vegetable. This is what about a 1/2 cup looks like. Yeah, there is some red onion in there. Eat a little bit of raw onion every day. That alliinase enzyme in there is destroyed by heat, and the alliinase enzyme works wonders for your DNA and is incredible and amazing. So there's that. This is what a 1/2 cup of cooked sweet potato looks like. It's basically 1 medium to small size sweet potato. I'm so excited to pop that in my mouth ASAP. This is actually a raw beet, but once I boil this will count, basically, it's gonna shrink a little bit. This will count as 1 serving of vegetables. So here I have 3 servings of vegetables, and you know, who eats that little bit of pasta? I would probably double this. So that would be 4 right here, 4 servings. And there's not even any greens on here. Where are my greens at? For greens, 2 cups counts as 1 serving. 2 cups mashed down. The bag that I usually get from Trader Joe's, it says that there's only 1.5 servings in there, and it looks like a bag like this. And I'm like, whoa, this whole bag is only 1.5 servings. Most people have 1 bag like this that lasts like the whole week. This bag, it says that serving size is 2 cups and there's about 3.5 servings per container. And this is actually really, really heavy. Like there's not much air in here compared to the Trader Joe's bag, which maybe it's a little bit of a smaller bag and doesn't have as much air in it. But look at the serving size on your bag of greens that you get, and you'll be surprised, like, whoa, like, all right, she's whipping out the Vitamix. Let's see how much 2 cups looks like. That's about 1.5. So yeah, really mash it in there. So it's kind of hard to see. That's about 2 cups. Can you see that? Well, that's about 2 cups. Let's see what it looks like on a plate. All right, I got my plate here. Yes, we're being very scientific about this. I really want to show you what this is all about. Okay, 2 cups of greens, 1 serving. Woo! Awesome. So this is 1 serving of greens. Do you see how, like, that's kind of a lot? 1 serving right here. That's not 2 servings. That's not 3 servings. This is a giant plate, and this is 1 serving of greens. Okay, does that surprise anybody out there? I feel like people will put like maybe, you know, half this much, like that much maybe, for like a salad and think that's a serving. No, that's 1 serving. Okay, so when it comes to your greens, pile them on, push it all down, pile it high, eat it out of a giant bowl. This is just 1 serving, okay? And when it comes to greens, I definitely recommend eating more than 1 serving of greens every day. That's why smoothies are so fantastic. Here I have 8 ounces of sliced bella mushrooms. Mushrooms, amazing. I actually recommend that you cook them. The beneficial properties are more bioavailable when cooked, and since mushrooms are fungi, they may have some harmful bacteria growing on them. So I do recommend that we cook them, water saute them. You don't need oil. What you put on your food can also count as a vegetable or fruit. So instead of putting that Alfredo or that cream sauce on your salsa, or on your pasta, spaghetti sauce, this is mostly tomatoes. This is great to add in the vegetables in your diet. So things like pasta sauce or salsa or even hummus, which is a chickpea base usually. Fantastic way to add in more vegetables to your diet. So let's think about this. How are we gonna get 10 servings at least throughout the day? I think that the easiest way is to eat a green smoothie, just because my smoothies, I literally shove the greens in, and maybe I'll put in like a 1/4 of a beet in there. So that's like, you know, getting some more veggies in. Sometimes I put some celery in there, sometimes I put some zucchini. And then I'll put in some frozen berries and a banana, and that definitely ramps up the fruit and vegetable intake. Versus when I have oatmeal, sometimes oatmeal is just like oatmeal with some raisins. That's only like 1 serving of fruits and vegetables compared to like 4 that you could get in a smoothie. And thinking about our lunches, what are we eating for lunch? What could we add to our lunches to add a serving of fruit or vegetable? For a snack, instead of grabbing a granola bar, maybe we could have an apple or some carrots and celery and hummus. Farmer's Market cherry tomatoes right now, that is a bomb snack. Please do it, your kids will love it. And then for dinner, anything we make, definitely like thaw out some frozen broccoli. Do whatever we can to get in those fresh fruits and vegetables. Let me know how this video helped you. Did it help? Please, like, I challenge you, can you get in the 10 fruits and veggies every day this week? Let's do it. Comment down below, how are we going to do this? What can I do to increase the fresh fruits and vegetables, or frozen, or dried, whatever, or canned, not a big deal. Oh, this is going to be really, really exciting for you to do this week, really, and the next week, and the next week. But really, let's just take it one day at a time, 1 meal at a time. Add 1 fruit or vegetable in, and you're gonna feel amazing. Yeah, adding all of the varieties of colors and flavors, it's just gonna make your plate so much more exciting and delicious, and not at all overwhelming or scary or gross. So let's do it. P.S. I get it. This is a lot of fruits and vegetables. How am I gonna afford this? How am I gonna have the time to cook this? How am I gonna chop this and put it all together and make it taste good? Like, I understand how overwhelming that can be and how unrealistic that can be for some people. And there are a lot of ways to make it super, super simple and, you know, just fail and learn and fail and learn and try new things is the best way. And I do want to say, like, I have been against supplements for the longest time, and I want you to know about this one company. Maybe you've heard of it. It's called Juice Plus, and I personally don't take it at the moment. I have taken it in the past, and there's actually a lot of studies behind it, and it's really well sourced. So what Juice Plus is it's dehydrated fresh fruit and vegetable powder. I do have links to their products down below. I think they're really, really great products. Getting in that fresh fruits and vegetables, like, however you can, we should do it, you know. And as against supplements as I am, I don't want anything holding you back from getting the benefits of getting in at least 10 servings of fruits and vegetables every single day. And if you'd like to consider that option, click the link to Juice Plus down below, and I really hope to help you however I can. Get excited, have so much fun, and I'm glad to be able to offer that option. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the big red subscribe button. Let me know what you'd like to see, and I will see you in the next video. I hang out on Instagram at vitamin.katie. Let me know what questions and comments you have. Have a great absolutely everything. Take a deep breath. Yay. Every little thing is going to be all right. Thanks. Bye.